Today we are making bourbon chicken. I took 2 pounds of chicken breast and I coated it with about a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. So right now I took about a tablespoon of avocado oil and then about a teaspoon of sesame oil just for the flavor, and waiting for my pan to get a little bit hot. Starting to get hot. So add that to my pan because it's going to take a little bit for this to cook up. So this takes a few minutes. While that's cooking, you want your pan on medium. Put the lid on that. So now we're gonna work on the sauce. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of water, about a half a cup of either soy sauce. You could do the reduced sodium soy, or you could do the Bragg's liquid aminos, which is healthier for you. So you're gonna pour that into a bowl. So I'm combining the 1/4 cup of water and either the soy sauce or the Bragg's liquid aminos, and that's at 1/2 cup. Then I'm adding, you could either do 1/4 cup of bourbon or apple juice. We don't drink bourbon, so we went with apple juice. Then you're adding 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you're adding 1/4 cup of ketchup. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of some ginger paste. Putting that in my bowl. And then I'm adding 2/3 cup of brown sugar. That's going to give it its sweetness. And if you hear that, that is the sizzling of the chicken, and I'm going to give it a turn in a second. Just mix the sauce. Gonna have a lot of flavor with all those spices and seasoning. I also need to add some pepper too. We're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, but right now I gotta flip the chicken because it is sizzling. I'm gonna turn you to the stove. See that nice sizzle? So we're gonna start flipping some chicken. You just keep on flipping until it's all cooked. You could add up to 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, but my kids and my husband do not like things on the spicy side, so I'm just going to add a little. And this is going to go nicely with our mock fried rice. add pepper to that sauce now. Here. I just added 4 turns of the fresh ground pepper. I'm just giving it a good mix. I don't know if you guys could see that. So after our chicken is brown, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all those brown bits, I'm gonna scrape them all up, and then I'm gonna add the sauce to it. We're gonna have a nice little glaze going on. That's what these nice rubber scrapers are good for. So we want the chicken to start browning, and once it's nice color, like this color over here, we're actually going to drain it. So I have my colander already in the sink. We're gonna drain the oils, and then we're gonna save any of the brown bits. So just keep on flipping them, but that's the nice golden color that we want. Now I'm gonna drain it. I shut off my oven, well, stove for a second. I'm just gonna transfer it right back into the pot, but I need both hands for this. Okay, so I added the sauce and the chicken back to the pan. I'm stirring everything. So you want to bring this to a boil, and then once it gets to a boil, then you're going to lower it to a simmer and cook for an additional 5 minutes. It smells really good.